titties? Whose titties? Whose titties? Hey ladies, if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. My name is Kassan and this is She Is Chic. And I'm super excited because today I'm going to do a review on Kim Kardashian's new shapewear line, Skims. Now, I have a story, but I'm going to save it to the end because it may be a little rant. But Kim, y'all tried me a little bit. Y'all tried me a little bit, but you know what I'm saying? We're going to save that to the end. But anyway, also, don't mind my hair. I've been out all day. I've been ripping and running, and I had brunch, and my wig got on my nerves. I was like, whatever, we're going to keep it real cute and keep it real Queen of Sheba up in here. And so we got this whole little Bantu knot going on at the top of the head. So anyway, I'm not going to hold y'all too long. We're going to get right into this review. Okay, so we're going to get into it for what you came here for, which is the Skims shapewear. Y'all, they literally did not have any of the like skin tone, flesh tone available anymore. So I literally had to go with the black thong. That's literally all they had left. I will say this packaging is really, really cute. It's super cute. But before I get started, this is me without the shapewear on. Stomach is bulging. You see little lines and all that good stuff. I look real human. So let me put this thong on and see what's going on with it. So I now have on the shapewear. And I think it has done its job, what it's supposed to do at least. Again, I wish I could have got the shaper shorts to like, you know, shape all of this up. But again, y'all, I could only work with what I could buy or what they had available. They sold out so quickly. It was just hard to get anything because they sold out of everything. But I think it did its job for the most part. Like, I'm sucked in. I will say I am not crazy about the thong, but I'm not a thong person either. So I definitely need the full panty because I need to shape up my booty. And apparently the full panties do like a little lifting of the booty. And I could definitely use that lift because I don't have a huge butt. And I need it to like push up a little bit. But I will say, I'm actually impressed by this shapewear. Now, according to the sizing, I have on a 2X, 3X, which I probably could have went down to a large / extra large. But I was so scared because on the site they were like, go up a size because it runs a little small. So I did. I went up to the 2X, 3X, but I don't think it's as firm or sucking me in as much as it could have because I went up a size too big. But I will say, before, there was like, you can see little ripples and stuff on my stomach. It is shaping my stomach. Again, for everybody who does not understand shapewear, shapewear is not to make you look skinny. Shapewear is to help everything look firm, tighten, and put together. If you're looking to look skinny in shapewear, you're going to be really disappointed every time you put on shapewear because that's not what it does. The only thing that shapewear does is put everything and hold everything together. That's why I said that I wish I had the full panty instead of the thong because then it will shape all of this up. And it looks a little weird on the thong for me because I need my ass, literally. I need my ass to be a little more shaped and more toned. I could go to the gym, but I'm not. So it is what it is. I need some shapewear that's going to tone it, and they didn't have that available. So at this time, the only thing I'm wearing right now is the shaper thong. But it does its job. I'm not mad at it. Kim, you did pretty good on this. So let's get to some other issues, okay? Kim, girl. So can we talk about customer service? I am truly a person who believes that if you have crappy customer service, I will never shop with you again. And for that reason, I am not shopping with Skims anymore. it was really poor customer service. So first of all, on Kim's birthday, they were doing a sale on her bras for $39. I think they originally retailed for like $52, but it was her 39th birthday, so they did the sale for $39. I ordered a 36 Triple D. These sons of guns, whew, send me a 36A. A 36A, y'all. Those who know, a 36A and a 36 Triple D are two completely different sizes. So I was mad because I spent my money and you send me a 30. This is what they send me, y'all. Who titties about to fit in this? Please tell me who titties about to fit in it, cause not mine. Not mine. Not my titties. My titties not about to fit in this. Kim, you tried me. You tried me, girl. So then I reach out to customer service. I send them an email via the website. The website says they'll get back to me. Didn't get back to me. So I send them a message via Facebook because I'm upset at this point. But girl, whose titties? Whose titties? Whose titties? I'm curious. Anyway, so I send them a message via Facebook Messenger. They finally get back to me on Facebook Messenger. And then they say, if the size that you chose is not available, they'll choose they pretty much said they'll choose the next best thing. How the hell is a 36A the next best thing to a 36 Triple D? That don't make sense to me. It don't make sense. It does not make sense to me. I could have seen that they went to a 38 Double D, but you send me a 36A compared to a Triple D, I'm pissed off. So then I messaged them back and I'm like, that makes no sense. Why would you send me a 36A compared to a 36 Triple D? They didn't respond, so I told them, you know what? It's okay. I'm just going to dispute it with my bank. So then when I say I'm going to dispute it with my bank, they message me back and say, well, you can return it. Well, then I go to the site to see how I can return it, and they're going to charge me to return something that they effed up on. Piss poor customer. Kim, girl. Piss poor customer service. You're not going to charge me for money to send back something that you effed up on. Like, that does not make sense to me. Now, I will say, I'm really sad that I didn't get a chance to try on this bra because I love the color. I love the fact that it's nude and it's a nude for a black woman. But what am I going to do with this, y'all? What am I going to do with this little bitty ass bra? You see these titties? Look at this bra. There's nothing I can do with this. Throw it away. Throw it all the way. Matter of fact, throw the whole damn company away. Kim, you tried it. Like, I just don't understand. If you didn't have the size available, I would have preferred you to send me an email saying, we're not going to charge you for this size because we don't have it available. Don't send me another, especially when it comes to undergarments. You can't send me another size down or a size up because, like, undergarments just don't work that way. They just don't. They don't work that way. I'm sorry. So that's really disappointing in the fact that I just pretty much lost out on $40. Or I am going to return it, but the fact that you're going to charge me $7 to return something that you messed up on, to me is pretty effed up customer service, and I really think that y'all should do better. That's it. That's it. Y'all should do better. Yeah, y'all should do better. That's it. Okay. I got some underwear too. Sorry, y'all. I got some underwear too. Luckily, they sent that in the right size. I did get these underwear in the size 2X because it was Kim Kardashian. Her idea of 2X is probably completely different than my idea of 2X. So they are nude and flesh tone. I am going to try these on for you all. Too bad I can't try on the bra for you all with the underwear, but I'll be right back because I don't want to try to see my goodies and trying to but I'll be right back. I'm going to try these underwear on. I actually do have underwear on, you guys. I promise they're just flesh tone. I really do like these underwear. They're comfortable and I like the material, and I feel like, yeah, they're super comfortable. The material is nice too. I'm not mad about it. I truly do wish that I could have tried the bra on with the underwear to give you guys a complete look, but as we all know about my little rant that I just had, they sent me the wrong size bra, so I can't give you guys the full shebang of how the underwear works, how the bra works, and all that good stuff. But all in all, I feel like as a consumer, the only reason why I probably would not shop at this company again is because of the poor customer service. I feel like if customer service would have took ownership of what they did wrong and rectify it and gave me a free return shipping label and made it easier for me to get my money back, I probably will shop at Skims again. But because of piss poor customer service, I'm just not. I can't and I will not. And I do not like companies that don't appreciate their consumer dollars, because I had to work in order to pay for that $39 bra. It may be $39 to you, Kim, but that's $39 that I had to work for and put effort in to give to your company. And for you to brush off my concern, like, oh, well, we'll just give you the next size down or the next size up or whatever size is available, that's not acceptable. And that's just, yeah, that's just not acceptable customer service. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm sorry I couldn't give y'all more, but there was only so much on the site that I could shop for, because everything literally was completely sold out. Y'all wiped her out. But again, that's not my issue. Give me the product that I paid for, or give me my money back. That's all I'm saying. That's all I want. Respect my dollar. That's all I'm saying. Respect my dollar, Kim Kardashian. You didn't respect my dollar. I know you ain't in there personally packaging it and shipping it off, but still, you should have rules and regulations put in order for this type of stuff. And the fact that I pretty much waste $40 pisses me off, because I'm the type of woman, I don't like wasting my money, honey. I don't like wasting it, and you just waste it. But anyway, ladies, that's pretty much it for this review. I'm sorry I didn't have more products to give to you guys, and this rant was so long. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all for tuning in. Love you as always. Peace and happiness.